Hey everybody, welcome to geometry class in Mr. Ekstrom's kitchen. Today we are going to be exploring volume and surface area, and I have some leftover candy here that just happens to be in a nice three-dimensional, of course everything in my kitchen is three-dimensional, as is yours, but this happens to be a perfect rectangular prism. And then I have this candle holder, which is a cylinder. We're going to try to answer the question, how many chocolate chips will fit into this, and will it be more than what fit into this? So stick around, we'll learn something about volume and surface area. We're asking a question, which holds more? Would you be able to figure this out? Could you get more chocolate chips in here? Or could you get more chocolate chips in here? What do you think? And how would you figure that out? So you may have noticed that I have a good 8 pounds of chocolate chips. So if you're going to do this at home, you may need to make a run to the store. Here I've filled, here's one way, right? Here's one way. We could just go ahead and fill our box. 2 whole cups. Right? I feel like I'm on a cooking show. Except usually the chocolate chips don't stick to the bottom on a cooking show. Huh? Don't worry, my hands are clean. And that's not quite enough to fill this up to the top. So we're going to need something like that. So there's one way, right? This was 2.5 cups. And now we can just compare that to our cylinder here. And if it's, more than 2.5, we know. So what have I done? And what would you do, right? This is a unit. And now I'm saying it took 2.5, roughly 2.5 of these glasses to fill this lovely box of chocolates, which I could present to my wife. Let's check out the cylinder. Well, here it is. I've filled the cylinder with chocolate chips, but I'm going to leave the answer for the end of the video. Of course, I know, did I empty the entire box into this and need more chocolate chips, or did the box have more than enough to fill this? Instead of using cups, I'm going to get rid of that. Instead of using cups, in math, we can use all kinds of units, but here is the unit we're going to be using. So not a cup of chocolate chips, but a square inch. Each one of the sides of this box, if you don't believe me. What is a square inch? Oh, did I say square inch? I mean a cubic inch. A cubic inch. So the side of this box is 1 inch. And if you flip it this way, this side is 1 inch, and then the depth is also 1 inch. And believe it or not, this is the kind of thing I do, when I'm at home looking for things to do. I filled up this cubic inch and found out, on average, you can shake it and settle down 25 chocolate chips per cubic inch. So not only are we going to compare the box and the cylinder, but I'm going to be able to tell you how many chocolate chips are in this. And would you agree this is a better presentation for Mrs. Ekstrom? I think instead of the box of chocolate, I'll give her the ginormous champagne glass full of chocolate. We'll see how she likes it.